This is chai. In a previous video, we looked at her whiskers underneath the microscope, and today we're going to be looking at her actual fur. She is very sleepy. This is how thick her fur is. It's very, very thick and soft. And just licking my finger. Okay. She's very thick. It is time to take our sample. No, she hates the comb. She hates the comb. Does not like the comb. Okay, just so you know, I'm still alive and I managed to take a small sample of her hair.
Come on everybody, let's all go to the lab.
Okay, so we're back at the lab, and we're gonna look at the cat hair under the microscope.
In the microwave.
I'm gonna raise the stage. Oh yeah, oh no. It's already kind of gross. I didn't even focus it, and there's already hairs in the hair. And there's a green thing. I'm disappointed with my cat. There's a thing that looks like a snapping turtle. There's a thing that looks like a snapping turtle right here. I don't like it. Wait. I hope it's not a bug. I hope it's not a bug. These hairs, they look like they've been cut. They abruptly stop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go... There's more of these little snapping turtles. This isn't good. Because if they are bugs, there's lots of them. And we don't want bugs. Because then it means that my cat hasn't been washing properly. Anyways, there's so many bugs. It's really big. This is not good. It's bigger than the hair. No, it's bigger than the hair. This isn't good. It's really big. Oh, wait, I can see it on the slide. I think it's pieces of my mom's fingers or something. They kind of look like power lines, actually. And that's the edge of the slide, so we're going back down. You can't really see through them, just like the cat whisker, but you can see the outer edge. So I lowered the plate, so now we're going to go to yellow, which will zoom in on it more. We've raised the stage after we lowered the stage, now it's at yellow. Movie recaps. Okay, so we put it to yellow. I thought I could rap for a second, but no. So we're at yellow now, and we're gonna do some exploring. The hairs are moving. Oh well. There's lots of little specks. That's not very good. It looks like stuff you get on a really bad phone when you're recording a video. It looks like those types of specks. They're kind of see-through. There's actually a lot of things, a lot more things than I expected. Wow. Ooh. The hairs look like they're made of little rings. Ugh. Ugh. That's probably how they grow longer though. They probably add like a little ring or something. That's probably how they grow. So we reached the top there, so go. That looks like Luigi. Wait, you guys aren't gonna believe me, but at the top there's his hat, then his eyes, and the little mustache thing. It looks like Luigi. Remember this, it looks like Luigi, okay? There's like a bunch of little mites. Ugh. Little white mites or specks that surround the hair. That's not good. There's also lots of things that hang off of the hair. That's also not good. This is actually worse than I thought. It looks like an owl. There's an owl on one of these. There's an owl. And oh. There's a big thing hanging off of that one. Oh wait. You can see through this speck. Moving on. Oh wait, there's the big thing that we saw earlier. Oh wait, no, it's not even, it's the snapping turtle. I wonder where the big thing is then. Not up there. That's not it. I found a little cord. That looks like a piece of coal from Minecraft. It's not big though. And it has a little worm friend. That's nice. Sweet. Okay, so in conclusion, compared to the whisker, I think these ones are way more interesting. You can see through them, and also they're kind of a little bit more rough. And they have more things surrounding them, which I didn't expect. Probably dust that she catches and stuff when she runs around. And if you want to see me do things in other videos, special requests and stuff, like blood or something under the microscope, then you just say in the comments, and I most likely will do it. And P.S. if you subscribe and leave a like, it makes me want to do it even more.